Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And today I'm cooking something here I never cooked before in my life. I saw this video online. One of the channels that I follow, MAE MAE's Happy, I think it's Happy Kitchen. MAE MAE's Happy Kitchen. She did a baked spaghetti the other day. And I thought it was so awesome and delicious looking. So I decided to do one myself. I'm going to put my little spin on it like MAE MAE will tell you. If you follow her channel, maybe I'll put a link in the description of the video. She get a recipe and make it your own. So MAE MAE, if you're looking at this, I'm making this my own with a few tips from you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the script in the video, in the bottom of the video as I'm going so y'all will know. What it is, I got some onions here, and I'm going to put some ground meat in here. That's just a pound of ground meat. I use an 80-20 blend. And I'm going to brown this off with the onions. Also, while that's going, I'm going to get my spaghetti cooked off here. I got my water going here in the back. I'm going to get it going back here. Like I tell y'all with my videos, when y'all doing some stuff that I do that y'all don't like, just make it your own. That's what I believe in. You don't have to be exactly like I do mine. So I'm gonna put a pound of spaghetti. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break these in half. Break them in half here, so when I put them in the casserole dish and cut it, it's a little easier to cut. Even MAE MAE say that you can cut yours in half. So she didn't do it in her video, but she said you can actually do that. Okay, so as I'm browning this off, I'm gonna add my seasoning. You know I love my Uncle Steve shake. Definitely gonna put some of that in there. And my Cavenders. I love my Cavenders. And some salt and pepper there. And I'm going to leave these seasonings over here just in case I have to re-season it right before I put it in the dish. So yeah, I got my meat going here. Brown it off. I'm just making like my regular spaghetti sauce like I always make. This dish is actually really simple. Just spaghetti and meat sauce and I'm gonna put cheese in there. But I'm gonna use, the cheese I'm gonna use, she used cream mushroom soup, but you'll see when I build it. Cheddar cheese. She used Parmesan, but I'm gonna put a little cottage cheese in mine. I'm gonna put a little twist on it. Because to me it's like a lasagna. And I love cottage cheese in my lasagna. So I'm gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna see how it comes out. So we'll go from there. Okay. Got a pasta here, make sure it's don't stick together. Cover that up. So this dish is so easy to put together. I saw her doing it and I said, that's a nice, easy dish. So you brown your beef off here. Now I'm gonna put my, just like I do all my other spaghetti sauce recipe, crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Get this mixed up. You can use tomato puree. Of course, I use that sometimes. I'm going to let this simmer about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add the tomato paste. Give it that natural thickener. And this will be done. Like I say, this is so easy to bring together, this dish. Let that boil there. I'm gonna step off here for a few minutes, let this simmer, let my spaghetti get cooked, and we'll be back when we start to simmer this dish. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, now I'm gonna add my tomato paste. This simmered about 10 minutes. Y'all know I add tomato paste to my spaghetti sauce. It's a natural thickener, and it gives it that bright red color. A lot of people don't know what tomato paste, oh Lord, y'all see what I just did? In a mess here. Okay, hold up here. Okay, my spaghetti's boiling now. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer. Clean this up here. I know I don't like it. I can't stand the dirty kitchen. Okay, and then we're gonna stir this tomato paste in. And let this simmer for additional, 5 or 6 minutes. See how thickened that got? And that's gonna be a nice, I hate a spaghetti sauce that's just loose and watery. I like my spaghetti sauce, y'all seen many times before. I like it to cling onto the pasta or whatever you're cooking with. Lasagna, I use this meat sauce for everything. Spaghetti's almost ready. So we're gonna step off and we'll be right back when it's time to assemble this. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, now we're gonna assemble this thing here. Like MAE MAE did it. Try to get it as close as I can, like she did. Okay, let's get our thing. It's a way to be organized here. Spaghetti here. Put the meatballs here. This right here. Okay, she put the spaghetti first on the bottom. Get it all right there. Alrighty. Okay, and then she put the sauce on there. What y'all do now? Get no sauce nowhere. Sauce right here. Y'all can see what I'm doing here. Let's see. It's a nice dish. Never thought. I said, yeah, I guess it's just like making lasagna. Put it all in there really nice. A little bit more close up here, y'all, so y'all can see what I'm doing here. Okay. All right, then she put the, let's see if I can do 3 layers. She did only 2 on hers. She used 12 ounces of spaghetti, and I'm actually using a whole pound, so like she say, make it your own. And that's what I'm doing, Miss MAE MAE. Make it my own. That's how I do this. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna just do all 2 layers here. Spaghetti do 2 layers and then cheese here. Okay. Now put the rest of the sauce on there. Be real saucy there. Spread it around there really good. Like I say, y'all, this is so easy. When I saw her do that, and I said, wow, that's pretty cool there. I think I screwed up here. I think I messed up. I didn't put the cheese in the middle, but we're gonna put the cheese right on top. Put the cheese right on top here. Yeah, I think she put the cheese last. I didn't mess up. I didn't mess up, MAE MAE, if you're watching it. Okay, the next thing she did, she put cream of mushroom soup on here. And this is something that really shocked me. And she watered it down. I think she used water to kind of thin it out, but I use milk. Y'all know me, I like to add flavors to flavor. I don't like to use water too much. Put that in there. She also added black olives and something else she put in there that I didn't. Okay, now, got that. Now, like I said, I'm gonna put a little cottage cheese on mine, just a little twist. I like cottage cheese on mine, just a little twist on it. You don't have to do that. She used Parmesan. I'm gonna put a little cottage cheese on mine. Something different, you know. I'm gonna save this for my lasagna. I'm gonna make a lasagna later. I'm gonna put a little cottage cheese on mine. Okay. Now, And then she topped hers with Parmesan, but I'm gonna top mine with cheddar cheese. And I got more cheddar cheese here too. Get more cheddar cheese here. That's it, y'all. Clean this up. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, now let's make it all look nice here. Make sure everything is covered with cheese. Okay. Clean the edges because we don't want no cheese burnt on the edges when it come out the oven. And that's it. 350 degrees for 30 minutes, y'all. Let me move this back. For 30 minutes. And we're gonna have us some old school baked spaghetti. See that? Look at that, y'all. Okay. Put that in the oven for 30 minutes, 350 degrees. And we're gonna see how it look. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. Okay. We're gonna see if it's ready. It's been 30 minutes here. We're gonna see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and bubbly. Okay, we definitely gotta let this cool, y'all. At least 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes, gotta let this cool and let me give a little close-up shot there. Definitely. See how bubbly and hot that is? So I'm gonna let it cool. And I was going back to MAE MAE's video. I did make one little minor mistake. I didn't put the cheese. Cheddar cheese was supposed to go after the second layer of the spaghetti, but we're gonna see if it's gonna come out. We'll see if it's gonna hold together or not. 'Cause I know why she put that cheese up on the second layer to kind of give it some more holding power. So we're gonna let this cool about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut it and plate it up, and we're gonna see how I did on my first try. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, I'll let this cool down about 45 minutes. And we're gonna see MAE MAE did I do a good job here. Cut a good piece here. Off the sides here. Like I said, I didn't put the cheese in the middle like she did, so we're gonna see what happens here. All right. There we go. Not bad. Not bad, y'all. Okay. Well. All right, hold on 1 second. I gotta take a picture. I'll be right back.